Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If you are looking to impress at your next cocktail party, you have got to check out these adorable glasses.
Look how beautiful these plastic martini glasses are by Liacere. They were the perfect thing at our recent party, exactly what I was looking for. They made every drink look so special. I love that the bases come separate from the actual glass part, so they're really easy to put together, but that made it really easy for storage. And they're just gorgeous. Check out how beautiful this is, whether you're making a fancy cocktail or a fancy mocktail. They're so beautiful with this martini style. I love that some of the liquid goes into the stem. I just think that's a really pretty touch. That wide brim makes them super easy to drink out of. And then, of course, check out how gorgeous the gold flecks are. I think this is so pretty. Altogether, this is such an elegant glass, and yet it's plastic. So it's the best of both worlds. It's beautiful. It's going to make the occasion, whatever it is, feel special, this little special gorgeous detail, but then at the same time it gives you that peace of mind knowing that they're not as fragile as a glass would be, and then also the cleanup is a lot easier. So I just think these are the perfect pick for a party.
I am so happy I had these for my party. I love them, and honestly, they're so amazing just for every day. I recommend checking them out, but that's just my point of view.